In this video, I want to let you guys know about the Cyber 2025 bundle, which is a massive collection of 35 top-rated Blender add-ons covering modeling, texturing, rigging, simulation, lighting, and more. Basically, we'll get around $900 worth of add-ons at a 90% discount. Before we continue, I want to let you guys know that the Super High Market is going through its biggest sale of the year. So if you want to get some add-ons, texture packs, courses, you name it, it is the best time to do so. And if you don't know where to start, I have in the description of this video a list of some of the best add-ons and courses out there. Without further ado, let's jump right in. At the top of the list, we have one of the most important add-ons, called AutoRig Pro, which automates many complex rigging tasks. It lets you rig characters, humanoids, and creatures with targeting animations, and even export rigs to game engines with ease. Another popular add-on on this list is Mesh Machine, which is a modeling add-on focused on advanced chamfer and fillet workflows, and it allows you to fuse and unfuse surfaces to create variable fillets of your models, all without using subdivision surfaces. The next add-on is called Normal Magic, which is a collection of modeling tools that give you advanced control over mesh normals. It has very interesting workflows for blending and transferring normals, which is essential for achieving perfect shading on complex models. On the other hand, Surface Flow is a real-time mesh wrapping modifier that lets you wrap any mesh onto any surface in just seconds. I mean things like decals, armor plates, or stickers conforming perfectly to a curved surface, which is useful for different modeling situations. Next is TrueVault, which is an integrated asset library add-on that brings a whole marketplace of 3D assets into Blender's UI. It basically lets you browse and import hundreds of models, materials, textures, and more directly in Blender using a convenient credit system. On a different vein, LensSim is a photorealistic lens simulation add-on, which actually extends Blender camera with real-world optical effects, and it works like magic. It lets you choose from dozens of lens models, and then produces effects like chromatic aberration, distortion, vignetting, and unique bokeh shapes, just like a real physical camera lens would. Next we have UV Flow, which as you can tell is a UV editing add-on, which helps you to speed up and simplify UV unwrapping in Blender. It got a suite of useful tools for making seams, straightening islands, packing, texel density, etc. So generally speaking, this add-on makes the process much easier. The next add-on by CG Matter called Camera Tracker automates Blender's motion tracking. The add-on actually uses photogrammetry techniques to automatically solve camera motion from footage, saving you from manual tracking. You can throw video footage at it, and it will compute a robust camera solve just for that scene. Another handy add-on is called Simply Tear, from the developer of SimplyCloth. This add-on helps you create realistic tearing and cuts on 3D objects, and it allows you to slice up a mesh, like a cloth or paper, and you can do that along drawn lines, producing frayed and torn edges with just a couple of clicks. And generally speaking, it is great for destruction effects. For example, you can tear a flag or make a cracked screen. Clay Dough, on the other hand, is a fun add-on that turns your 3D workflow into digital clay, which as you can imagine you can use in different cases. Generally speaking, it provides realistic clay-like shaders, complete with details like fingerprints, smudges, and cracking. It also includes modeling tools to deform objects in a clayish way. Now, if you've used blending in other 3D software, such as 3ds Max's Bend, this add-on called Bend Modifier does the same in a very user-friendly way. And unlike Blender's simple deform, the Bend Modifier gives you an easy gizmo to non-destructively bend an object in your stack, which is honestly gonna save you a lot of time and headaches. The next add-on is called ZenCage, which is a transformation and alignment tool that gives you a bounding box cage with interactive handles, which you can use for manipulating objects. It basically puts an adjustable 3D grid, which you can call a cage, around your selection, letting you align, fit, distribute, rotate, or scale objects by dragging cage handles. Next there is Botanic, which is a library of realistic 3D plants, trees, and grass assets. And it includes hundreds of plant species, including trees, palms, shrubs, flowers, you name it, which you can import and scatter with just a few clicks. And they can be great for ArchViz projects environment art, or anything that needs greenery. Next we have Crafty Asset Pack, which is a library of stylized assets in addition to materials and particles from Sadr Shadi. It comes with over 100 assets, including handcrafted 3D models, tiling materials, grunge maps, and even particle patterns. It is essentially a drag-and-drop library, which you can use for different things, from cartoony rocks to different fabrics and dirt textures. The next add-on is called Design Magic, which combines asset libraries with workflow tools, primarily leveraging kit-ops by Chip Walters. This add-on includes a large K-pack of insertable models, things like sci-fi greebles, patterns, and design elements, and also a special add-on called Metashape, which can instantly create organic shapes from simple meshes. Next is Cloudscapes, which is an asset pack that offers 390 volumetric cloud assets, from fluffy columns and wispy cirrus clouds to large explosion sims, and they all come in OpenVDB format, so you can drop into cycles and EVCs, and it basically gives you a sky's worth of clouds ready to use without needing to run heavy simulations, which is a great thing. On the other hand, City Generator is an add-on that procedurally generates entire cities with layouts in just seconds. It can spawn city blocks, streets, and buildings in a short period of time, but you can also adjust and customize many parameters like city size, building styles, density, etc. And then it pops out a full 3D city for you. DJX Trends is a modular geometry node asset library, which is great for creating ropes, cables, and wires, and different strand-like objects. The library provides about 20 node-based strand modifiers, which you can chain together to do different things, like hanging wires, braided ropes, knots, sagging cables, etc. Another interesting add-on is called Pattern Designer, which is a Blender node group setup that lets you create infinite seamless patterns out of any texture. You can feed it in a simple image, or maybe a shape, and this tool will generate a tileable pattern with various symmetries, rotations, and arrangements, which you can use with different materials. The next add-on called Sky Plus is a fully procedural sky and atmosphere shader, which can be used with cycles and Eevee. It gives you a lot of control over your sky, and you can adjust the sun position, sky color, haze, and volumetric clouds, in addition to stars and auroras for night scenes. The next add-on called True Depth uses AI to turn 2D images or videos into a 3D depth map. With it you can load a photo, and right away you can generate a depth map, and even convert that into 3D geometry or displacement. It is like magic for creating 2.5D parallax effects, or quick environment blackouts from photos. Next we're gonna talk about Physical Open Waters, which is a real-time ocean simulation add-on. It basically lets you create vast and photorealistic ocean surfaces with waves, ripples, and even interactions, and you can do all of this with real-time feedback. In addition to this, it gives you fine control over patterns, wind, foam, in addition to other things. A very popular add-on for lighting is called Light Wrangler. It is basically an essential lighting workflow add-on that makes adding and adjusting lights feel natural and interactive. It allows you to add lights with a simple right click and have them automatically aim at the point under your cursor. It is great because it can save you a lot of steps that take a lot of your time. Next we're gonna talk about Lumio, which is a lighting toolkit that provides a collection of easy-to-use lighting presets and setups, like a classic 3-point lighting rig, studio light, etc., which helps you light your scene with minimal effort. So it basically provides you with professional lighting and gives you a lot of intuitive controls to help you make the process faster. The next one is called Fence, Gate, Railing, and Wall Generator, which, as you can tell from the name, provides you with gates, railings in addition to walls and other stuff. And this one comes packed with more than 250 procedural assets and 220 materials for various fence and wall styles, which you can mix and customize. The next one is called Align and Distribute, which brings those much needed alignment tools into Blender's 3D viewport. It lets you easily align objects by their origins or bounding boxes and evenly distribute multiple objects along the axis instead of eyeballing placements. In a similar vein, there is another one called Align Toolkit, which provides alignment and distribution tools as well. It allows you to align objects just like in any other software. For instance, quickly line up a group of objects to the left, to the right, top, etc. Or you can do even distribution in a line or a grid. Another interesting add-on is called Proxy Plus, which automates proxy creation for heavy scenes and rigs. If your character rigs or high-poly models are slowing down your viewport, this add-on can generate lightweight proxy versions and swap them in and out as needed, so it basically manages all that for you. On the other hand, there is another one called Cloth Ripper, which is a fully procedural geometry node setup to rip, tear, or shred cloth, or any mesh honestly, with realistic frayed edges. So it allows you to take, say, a flag or piece of fabric and generate tears with little fabrics and jagged edges in a non-destructive way. The next one is called Smart Mesh Blend, which blend normals between multiple mesh pieces for a seamless look. This one is really useful for hard surface modeling or maybe kit bashing. Let's say you join two pieces of metal and there is a shading seam. The add-on can actually smooth that transition by blending the normals where the parts meet, so it looks like one continuous surface. Trim Flow, on the other hand, is designed to add repeating trim patterns, like ornamental borders, stitches, or decals, and you can do that along surfaces in a non-destructive way. And you can draw a curve or use an existing edge and have a pattern flow along it perfectly. This one is great for adding details such as clothing stitches along a seam, decorative carvings on furniture edges, or maybe pattern lines on a sci-fi armor. The next one is called Droplet Generator, which is a tool that covers surfaces with realistic water droplets. So if you need raindrops on a window, or maybe sweat on a bottle, this add-on can generate hundreds of droplets with varied sizes or shapes, and you can do that automatically. The next one is called Blueprint Procedural Shader, which, as you can tell, is a shader that makes your 3D models look like a technical blueprint, or maybe a CAD drawing. This procedural material actually turns objects into solid blue with white contour lines, cross-hatching, paper grain, and other blueprint-style effects. This one is great for creating schematic views, or maybe stylized renders of your models. In a completely different direction, there is another one called Auto Eye, which is a tool for generating realistic eyes for characters. This one provides a 100% procedural eye shader in addition to the model, which are fully customizable, and it works in both Cycles and Eevee. And it ranges from cartoony eyes to lifelike human eyes. You can tweak the iris patterns, colors, pupil size, and you can even add details like a cornea with reflections. Last but not least, we're going to talk about Pro Lighting Studio, which is an add-on by Blender Guru, or Andrew Price, which provides dozens of studio lighting presets. So if you have a character, a product, or maybe a vehicle to showcase, this add-on can suggest many interesting lighting setups on the fly. And there you have it, guys. If you are interested in these add-ons, you will find all the necessary links in the description. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.